How to fix your account cannot be used in this location Netflix. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this quick tutorial video, I'm here to guide you the easy way to fix your account cannot be used in this location Netflix error. So do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech and tips videos. So the error message your account cannot be used in this location on Netflix typically indicates a problem related to geographic restrictions or location specific account settings. So here are the troubleshooting steps on this video. Firstly, you need to check your current location. Netflix services may vary by country or region due to licensing agreements. Make sure you are in a country where your Netflix account is valid. You need to make sure your internet connection is stable. If your internet is not stable, you need to make sure to switch between your mobile data. You can also try switching or turning off or on airplane mode for a while and again turning back it off. So using a reliable internet connection is very important to get rid of this kind of issues. If you're using a VPN or proxy, Netflix might detect it and block access due to geo restrictions. Try disabling the VPN or proxy and see if the issue resolves. You need to make sure your application is up to date. If not, open Play Store and check for the updates of Netflix. If you see the update button of Netflix, tap on update to update it to the latest version. So updating app is very important in order to get rid of different kinds of bugs and then errors relating to Netflix. If none of the above steps work, it's best to contact the Netflix support directly. They can check if there are any restrictions or issues relating to your account that need to be resolved. So now you should be able to resolve the issue. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching.